How to stop App Store asking for your password. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option called Screen Time. Once you tap on Screen Time, scroll down again until you find the option called Content and Privacy Restriction. Tap on it and make sure to turn on the Content and Privacy Restriction. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Once you tap on it, make sure to turn on the Don't Require option by tapping on it. After you do this, it will now not ask you for your password while you download something on your App Store. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.